What's up, folks? I'm going to show you how to burn out these stumps using good old-fashioned redneck barrel. Some birch stumps. Sounds about 18-inch diameter. A little over 10, 11, 12. This one, about that same size. So I'm going to burn one at a time. Using the handy dandy 55-gallon metal drum. Top's cut off, bottom's cut out. I'm gonna fill the sucker up with wood and start a fire. Okie dokie, so I got the fire going there. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you how to start a fire. If you're a redneck, you already know how to start a fire. So I'm gonna keep feeding this. That sucker's gonna get really hot. As you can see, there's plenty of down wood here to feed that fire. What that's gonna do is burn this stump out slowly. All those hot coals will get down in the ground, and these chunks will burn up too. Might take a day or two to get it done, but we'll let this go for a while, keep feeding it, and check back on progress. Woo! Now that's a fire! Gotta keep an eye on this little stuff here. Burning around. See that what there happens when you get too close to the fire, you burn the hairs right off your arm there. Don't get too close to fire, burn the hair right off your arms. Woo, she's hot. Okay, so we're about, I don't know, about 50% done maybe. Been feeding this fire all day, well, the last 5 hours. I wouldn't recommend walking away from the fire. I've had to put out just little fingers that are stuck out there, eh? And I've been burning some brush too. Got a brush fire going there too, same time. So back and forth, keeping the fires going. A little bit windy today, and it's kind of dry. So don't want to walk away from it. Plan on being here the rest of the night. Here's my other brush fire going here. This is mostly wet maple, wet sugar maple branches, and I've been supplementing it with dry popple. This was probably about 3.5, 4 feet tall. Maybe 12, 15 feet wide. It's pretty reduced right now, but yeah, it's a good day for burning the woods there, eh? I just put the last oak for the night. We'll let it burn out. The wind is kicking up. That stump is like 2/3 gone there. Yeah, look at them there, red coals there, eh? Woo-wee! She's hot. Gotta go feed the mutts because they're going nuts. You know, it's dinner time. Time to feed the mutts. Okie dokie, so I'll check on this a little bit later there before I go to bed. But let's go feed the mutts. Alright, I'm gonna let this fire die out. Stump's almost completely burnt. It's 8:15 p.m. Started working today a little after 5 a.m. So it's a solid, what, 13 hour? No, 12. It's 3. Solid 15 hour day. good day today. I got a lot of stuff done. Done the Can-Am. Show you that in a second. As you saw in one of my previous videos, the CV boot was torn. So I jacked her up. Had to pull the brake and the axle off. That whole CV shaft, drive shaft off, and replace it. But anyways, had to pull the whole rotor off. Axle, check the bearings, all that fun stuff. And new CV boot. Well, I had to take a break for a day. I let the fire burn out at about 10 o'clock. As the wind kicked up, it was 20 to 30 mile an hour sustained winds and 35 mile an hour gusts. I didn't feel like burning the entire forest down. But today it's super calm. A little chilly this morning, about 32 degrees. Some ice on some of the puddles, so maybe a little bit cooler than 32. Had a good 12-hour burn on this sucker, and the stump's almost gone, but I'm gonna burn it down even more, probably another 5-6 hours. I'll keep feeding the fire as I cut firewood today. So we'll check back when she's burned down. So we're just about done here. I'm gonna let this sucker smolder out. There's not much left to go. This stump is pretty much taken care of. So about 15 hours, let's say. Got this little guy here to burn out. Maybe this little guy here to burn out. And then this one. Barrel fit around that one, no problem, but the barrel's not going to fit around this one, so I'm going to have to think of something creative. Maybe I'll take the chainsaw and cut some of this out so I can put the barrel over it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of our videos. Hit that little bell. It'll notify you when we got more posted right away. Please leave a comment down below, and talk to you later.